Hello, and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today, we're going to be doing a guided meditation with the stone Citrine, the stone of abundance. For those who've watched my channel before, welcome back, and I hope you've been getting a lot of useful information about gemstones. And for those who are new, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist. And I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life. And today we'll be doing some practice by sitting and doing a guided meditation with Citrine. If you haven't already watched the video, Improving Your Life with Citrine, I suggest that you pause this video and you take a few minutes to watch the other video, and I'll link that above. It's not very long, but it will give you a really good feel for the benefits of Citrine and how that crystal can help improve your life before you go into this guided meditation. Now, you don't need a piece of Citrine to sit with this guided meditation. You can sit and imagine the energy of Citrine and listen to the scenarios that I'll present. And if anything calls to you or triggers you, then that's a sign that maybe you should purchase a piece of Citrine and work with that more. I do have Citrine bracelets and gemstone sets available in my Etsy store, and the link to the Etsy store is in the description below. So let's get started with Citrine, the stone of abundance. So first, you'll need to find a comfortable seat. That could be on a cushion, on the floor. It could be in a chair, on a couch. It could be sitting outside, right on the ground. You can take your iPhone outside and sit straight on the ground and do these meditations. I highly suggest that if the weather permits. So find a comfortable seat and close your eyes. Take some slow, deep breaths. If you do have Citrine, make sure that it's near you, but you don't have to be holding it yet. We're just going to see how you feel first without the Citrine. So breathe and bring your awareness into your body. And feel where you are connecting to the seat beneath you. And feel your connection to the ground underneath you. And be aware that you are supported by the entire earth. All of the energy of the earth, all of the physical support of the earth is right beneath you. You are supported and protected as you go through this meditation. How is your body feeling right now? How are your emotions? How's your energy feeling right now? There's no need to change anything, fix anything. We're just noticing what's going on right now. If anything stands out, take note of that. Then pick up the citrine and hold it in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand, and it receives the benefits of the citrine. And take several breaths as you just hold it and feel it in your hand. Feel the weight and the surface. Is it smooth? Are there any cracks? Just get to know your piece of citrine. And look again at how your body feels. Is there any tightness, tingling, or numbness anywhere? How's your mood and your energy? Has anything changed? And imagine yourself sitting in a pool of bright golden light. It's shining down on you, this sunbeam, warming you. And sit with this image of citrine energy for a minute. Picture this in your mind. Picture it around your body. Citrine is the stone of abundance, of energy, of confidence. Consider each of these questions. Do you find yourself lacking in physical energy or motivation in life? Do you feel you could use more confidence? Are you starting a new business? Or do you currently own a business? Citrine is good for business owners. Is there an area in your life in which you feel lacking? Do you live or work in a toxic environment, in where there is continuous negativity, if one of these scenarios stood out to you more than others, then bring that to mind and sit with that for another couple of minutes while you hold the citrine. How does your energy feel now? How does your confidence or your motivation feel? Has anything changed from when we started? And it's time to release that scenario, to release the image of the citrine energy. Come back into your body and just breathe. Take a couple of deep breaths. And when you feel ready, open your eyes. Well, thank you for joining me today during this meditation with Citrine. How did citrine feel for you? These meditations, they're meant to be repeated. So if you don't already have citrine and this meditation really spoke to you, then it's probably a good idea to find a piece of citrine and then sit with this guided meditation about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can really call up the energy of citrine right away. Like you're going into a sales meeting, or you're going to work on a project, you're starting something, you can pick up the citrine and you can just feel it start to work. Or you can just think about the citrine and you can feel it start to work. This is how you really begin to incorporate crystal healing into your everyday life, when you recognize a scenario in which I could really use citrine. Let me go get it. All right, I'm ready. That's the intent of these videos. So if you enjoyed this guided meditation you enjoyed this week with citrine, then every single week I post about a new gemstone. On Thursdays, I post about the benefits of that stone, and on Saturdays, I post a guided meditation with that stone. So if you're interested in learning about a new crystal or gemstone every single week, then make sure to hit the subscribe button, and you'll be notified every week when I post new videos. So thank you very much, and I hope to see you next week.